Hi there. Google considers page speed as a very important ranking factor, especially for mobile. And one of the biggest culprits in slowing down page load times are really huge image files. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your images by sizing them appropriately as well as compressing them before you upload them to your store. We're going to start off by finding out the correct dimensions of the images you like to upload. For example, you might want to change or upload a new image for a slide or an element on your front page, or perhaps a product image, right? Now this is important because if the required dimension is let's say 700 by 700, you don't want to upload something that's 1000 by 1000, because this will unnecessarily add to the image file size and slow down your page load times. For this example, I'll be using Firefox. I'm going to show you two ways to get the dimensions of an image, right? Now the first is to hover over the image, select view image info, and there you go. Now the second one, also hover over the image, but this time select inspect element, and you'll see the dimensions right here. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you want to upload blow-up product images, try to keep them within 1000 by 700, right? This will enable the images to display in full on most desktop and laptop screens without the user having to scroll up and down or left and right to view the full image. This is a plus point for user experience. Now let's use what we've learned to change the image on this page. First thing we've got to do is get the dimensions, and here it is, 580 by 280, right? Just make a note of it. Next we head on to pixlr.com/editor. It's a free online image editor. It's like Photoshop Lite, but if you're more comfortable with Photoshop, you can download GIMP. It's almost like Photoshop, but it's free. Okay, so let's go back to Pixlr, select an image. Now I'm going to purposely select an image that's way bigger than the image we need, right? Okay, next we're gonna see if we can reduce the image size proportionately and see if we can get 580 by 280. Okay, so we gotta make sure that the constraint proportions option is checked. Okay, so this will keep the image in proportion. Next we key in 580 and see if we can get the height to be 280. Looks like we can't, so we have to discard this option and we select crop tool. Okay, this is the option you're going to use now. Make sure you select output size and you key in the proportion that you need, or rather this dimension that you need. Okay, 580 by 280 if I'm not mistaken. Next we drag the tool over the image we selected just now. Looks okay. Okay, let's go for it. Increase the size so we can have a better look at it, right? This is just a display size on the screen. Okay, looks fine. So let's save it, and I'm gonna purposely save it at 100. Usually 85 would suffice, and as you can see, if the quality is set to 85, the size is only 61, so you don't really have to optimize it further. But I'm going to purposely set it at 100, so the size will balloon to 259, right? Call it version 2. Save it. Alright, now to optimize it, we're going to use tinypng.com. You can drag, I think as many as 20 images it seems, and optimize it at one go. We're just going to optimize one. You can see the difference before and after, right? 61% improvement, right? So usually you want to use this if you've got really huge images for slides or hero shots, right? And even product images. Okay, let's just save this. Let's call it opt for optimized. Save it. Okay, that's done. Now let's go over and try to change the image here. Let's replace it. Upload your own image. Yeah, fits perfectly, and that's it. Right, you know the drill. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons, and we'd love to hear some feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching.